Mom, I'm bored.
Go play with your Legos. You have tons of them.
Okay. How about I make a Lego pinball machine? Why don't we get started? First, we'll start with a little flat part. It's smooth so the ball can roll more easily. Then we'll put a backstop, so when the ball goes up, it doesn't fall out. We'll put a little hole so you can win. Right there, we're going to connect another piece, and it'll make it so that it's slanted, and the ball can roll down. We need one on each side. Next, we're going to attach the motors. And the motors, what they're going to do is they're going to push the ball up so we can play the game. We need 2 of them. Make sure that they're adjusted right. Now we need buttons to activate the motors. Now onto the electronics. We need the brain, the EV3 brain. We're going to connect the letter sides to the motors. Next, we're going to connect the number sides to the buttons. We're not quite finished yet. We still have to program. Okay, ready to code? Open a new tab, put in a loop, and then 2 switches. Put them in logic. We need to activate the button, so put them in their correct ports, and then plug them in. And inside the switches, we have to activate the motors so they can move. Put them in the correct ports. Go on 4 degrees. And they need to go 30 speed, so put them all the way to 100. And then we're going to wait 1 second. 0.1 seconds. So there's a little delay, and then they're going to move back. Let's put in another motor thing. Make sure that they have the correct ports in them. We have to do the same thing for the other one. Put it at -40 degrees. And you're about finished.